What is up, YouTube? This is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. If you guys aren't a subscriber already, make sure you smash that subscribe button down below and give me a big thumbs up on this video. Today it is demo day. I got a killer Focal 7.2.4 system in this theater right here. 120-inch screen from Dragonfly and an Epson 6050. And then we got some big SVS subs back here, and Marant's powering it all up. I'm super excited, guys. I'm down here in San Antonio, but you guys know we service the entire country with nationwide free shipping. So reach out and utilize our free consultation service, and we'll hop on a video call and find something that fits your exact needs and budget. All right, let's get in this room and check it out.
Right behind you.
All right, guys, that is a wrap on our demo. I also did a customer testimonial on this project just so that you can hear from somebody other than myself how awesome the system is. This is a really, really nice system at a very affordable price point still, even though we're using name brands all the way around. I pride myself on that here at Dreamedia as the owner. I want to make sure that we have options at all different price ranges. Like, we can put together a complete theater package for you guys as little as $5,000. I mean, everything that you need. And then they go, sky's the limit. I mean, you have seen me market $500,000 theaters, but we have sweet spots in between, like the 10 to 20K range seems to be the sweet spot for value and performance. The Chora series and the 100 series all the way around from the Focal, bringing in those nice, clean highs, and then having the hard hitting bass coming from those SVSs, which you know we can't go without our SVS subs. And then we have the Marant's powering it up and the Epson 6050 up here with the 3 LCD technology. It's just an all-around really well-balanced system. Surround sound, you know, Dolby Atmos is all about creating that immersive experience, and I hope you guys heard that whenever you saw that demo. You know, whenever you hear the gunshots flying around and the clawing and the scraping, you can hear it all the ground level effects right here at ground level, but then overhead, whenever you hear, like, you know, a rock or something flying through the air, or you can kind of hear like the buildup of the characters as they're adding the effect. You hear it flying above you. So all those high effects are up here, and then you have your low effects down at ear level. That's the point of Dolby Atmos, and that's the big rage right now. Now this was a 7.2.4, which sounds absolutely phenomenal, but he did the Marantz 8015, and I just wanted to point out to you guys that in the future, this customer has an upgrade path. He can go up to a 7.2.6 Atmos, which would probably be the next best thing to do down the road, but you have to add in a 2-channel amplifier. So I just wanted to point that out to you guys, that that is an option. So I hope you liked the demo. If you guys would like to purchase anything electronic related for your home theater, 2-channel, distributed audio, automation, cameras, we have you covered with all the industry manufacturers to choose from. We ship throughout the entire nation, and we have video conferencing consultations so that we can actually meet you face to face and be very efficient, keep our overhead down, and deliver the 5-star experience. That's what we're all about here at Dreamedia. Well, I hope you liked the video. If you did, give me a big thumbs up and smash that subscribe button down below for more. Till next time, this is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. Thank you for watching.